Standard SOPs on your desktop is a great way to capture longer cycle time processes. We'd always recommend our Chrome extension Video SOP to capture on-screen processes as a preference, but our standard version existed since the beginning of GembaDocs. It's also useful for editing SOPs that you might have created in the mobile app. Both are totally compatible. To create a standard SOP on the GembaDocs web version, start by going to the SOP tab and tapping the Create button in the top left-hand corner. You'll be presented with 4 options, and for this example, we are selecting Standard SOP. Next, give the procedure a title, and now we can simply add steps to the procedure. You can use the Snipping Tool on your computer to capture a section of the screen, click the area of the image, and then use Ctrl+V to paste the image into your step. You can also upload an image or a video of up to 1 minute from your machine. From there, you can zoom in or out of the image, and you have the option to annotate it. Then you can describe your step. You can simply type that in with the option to polish with AI, or use voice to text to develop your step description. The AI will give you the best options of what you have said. From there, it's simply repeat this process for each step until you're done. And when it's complete, the SOP will be available to print in its entirety. Like all GembaDocs, you can also deploy via one of our QR codes or simply share a link to the SOP, bookmark it in the browser bar of your PC if you're going to use it regularly.